Imagine yourself in this 2005 Ford F-350. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are dual rear wheels, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, passenger airbag, ABS, AM/FM stereo, power steering, and 4-wheel drive. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.